Welcome to Vivero Growers Nursery. I'm Brandon.
And I'm Brandon.
All right, today we're going to talk about the Peppermint Peach.
Yes, this is one of my favorite plants in the nursery right now because it looks spectacular. So this is an ornamental peach, which means it's not going to produce any fruit, but what it lacks in fruit, it really makes up in color. You're going to get a bunch of blooms that are kind of like this peppermint stripe, just some that are kind of plain white, and then these that are brilliant pink right here. It's just a really cool ornamental tree, not too big, maybe 12 feet or so, and you know, it's really just ramping up here as spring gets going.
Yes, this is his favorite tree. It's a non-fruiting tree, it's very ornamental, and we both love it though.
Yeah, and let's check out one of your favorites.
All right,
Billy.
all right.
Of course, Brandon, your favorite would be the Japanese maple.
Yes, absolutely. But to be fair, I can't pick between all the Japanese maples we have here at the nursery. Yeah, I love them all. So I picked two today, Crimson Queen and Tamikuyama, and I love them both. You're gonna get a little height difference. This one might get a little more vertical. This one might be semi-weeping a little bit more. Both have similar leaves that are beautiful in the spring, but come fall, of course, it's the Japanese maple. It's gonna be electric. So will be the showpiece of the entire yard. So when you pick one out, we really like to take our time and make sure we get the right one for you for the right application.
Yeah, the Crimson Queen is going to end up being a little more on the red side, and the Tamikuyama is going to have that more maroon look to it.
Yeah, like I said, I love them all, so it's not fair for me to pick one. So I'm just glad I can share these two with you, and the others, of course, I have, and come on down and we'll walk through them all.
Right.
Thank you.